I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying accounts and prerequisites. Sign into your Samsung account and update the Onedrive app. Once done, make sure your device is on Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery so the transfer won't interrupt. Open Samsung Cloud in Settings, then tap Backup or Cloud Settings to locate the option to export or move data. You're starting the export flow now. Follow on-screen prompts to choose which data types, photos, contacts, calendar, to prepare for connection with OneDrive. Now actually link OneDrive. In the Samsung Cloud export screen, select the specific data sets you want to move and tap Transfer or Move. When OneDrive appears as an option, sign in with the Microsoft account you want to use. Make sure you enter correct credentials. Grant necessary permissions, access to photos, contacts, and storage, so the apps can write data. The transfer may queue, monitor progress indicators, and keep the app open. If asked, choose Folder Location in OneDrive to organize incoming files. Finish by confirming that OneDrive shows your migrated items in the chosen folders and that sync status is complete. If files are missing or the transfer stalls, close both apps, restart the device, and retry the export. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi. Also verify OneDrive storage limits and that Samsung Cloud export wasn't interrupted by a permissions change. If problems persist, sign out and back into both accounts and run the transfer for one data type at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.